Hi everyone, this is Melissa. I wanted to do a quick haul video. I was looking for some ribbons and some lace for an album I'm doing for my mother, and I couldn't find anything, so I thought I would visit the local thrift store and see what I could find. And I found a few goodies, so I wanted to share with y'all. Here's an old music sheets book that I found. It's really old, really tattered, and I'm not sure if I'm even going to be able to use it because the pages are so brittle. But I thought for 20 cents I would give it a try. Even just using the cover on it would be really neat for a book. The sheets are old and really falling apart, but I thought that was kind of neat. I also found just a clipboard. I think it was like 10 cents or something. Here's one of the bags that I found. It has some different kinds of lace in it. I don't even know how much is here. It's pinned up, but it's a whole big bunch of lace. It's in like a off-white eggshell color. And then here was some more. And it's a big bunch of lace here too. And then some fiber and just some snaps and other things. But I paid 50 cents for that whole bag of stuff. Thought that was a pretty good deal. And then here's just some fibers, a big ball of like a slate blue, and then like a variegated with blues and grays and white. Thought that would be great fibers to use on some mini albums, and that was $1 for that one. And a bag of burlap. Haven't used any burlap yet, but I thought it would be mighty fun to try, and I paid 50 cents for that. Here's some more lace. I don't know if I'll use this or not. It's like a cream color. It's got a little bit of pink in it. I don't know if you can see that very well. It is a big bunch of that. Then there's some yellow. I really don't think I'll use that, but it come in the bag. Some more of that yellow. I guess it might be good for something for Easter. I don't know. These are the two I was really after. Was this one. It's like an old off-white color. And then this one, this peachy color. I thought it was just beautiful, so I had to buy it. And that one was $1 for that big bunch. And then I found some, I think I'm going to use this for like tags and stuff. I'm not even sure what it's supposed to be used for. It's like a gauzy string type stuff. This I'm thinking I might crochet some little flowers out of. I don't know. It looks like it might be individual pieces, so I may just have to use it for fiber. But I thought the gold would be great for Christmas. And here's another big bunch of it. And then some more of that thread. I'm really not sure what that is supposed to be used for. Anybody has any ideas? Some more of that. Here comes my cat. She's got to come and check out all the strings. There's some more gold. And then I have some more lace. Let's see if I can get this open with one hand. Oh, I did. Some more old lace. And I thought this one was kind of neat because it's got these slits in there. You might be able to like thread some regular ribbon through that. And that's a big bunch of it there. And then there was a big bunch of that too. And that one was 50 cents. And I thought these next items, these were kind of cool. These are old vintage bridge books. And they just have these pages in them. If I can get it up in my hand. And they have like players tallies in there. And I thought those would be neat to tear apart and use for on mini book pages. I thought the cover of these bridge books were really neat. I paid $1 a piece for each one of these. And they're old. They have a protect your Eson oil on there. Here comes my cat across. And I thought those were kind of cool to use for mini books. Let's see what else I have in the bag. Well, I found these Top Boss embossing stamp pad tinted. I don't know. I've never used that. I used Versamark, but I thought I'd give that a try. And then this stamp pad just has 2 different colors in it. And then I have one more fiber. It's like a brown stick color. Let's pour that out where you can see. It's kind of a fuzzy fiber. And I paid $1 for that. And that's all for today, but I wanted to share. Thanks. Have a good day.